I'm Connor from Cowsey Sticker Science Designs. Today we're going to be supercharging my 645 E63 BMW.
Connor, tell us a little bit about your car.
It's a 2004 E63 645 BMW, 4.4 litre. I've done quite a lot to it. It's got an M5 rear diff that I put in using E46 M3 rear stub axles. It's got loads of poly bushes on it. It's got an XHP gearbox remap that gives it true manual mode. It's also got an M5 paddle shift steering wheel that's all set up so it has full paddle shift and everything. That is kind of it though, obviously lowering springs, blah blah blah, all that stuff, and the kit and whatever. But performance wise, that's kind of it. And today, hopefully, we get an extra 150 horsepower out of it.
So you just felt like you were missing some boost in your life.
I was going to get an M6. I was dead set on an M6. Just about set to go get one. I just thought this is something a bit more interesting, isn't it? And it's saying we love our cars. We've obviously got Al's Volvo. He's the other owner of the business. I've had plenty of silly cars. Bit of a project, isn't it? Bit of something to do, bit different. It'll make loads more torque than an M6. I'm all about the torque, so see what happens.
Sounds amazing, sounds amazing. I mentioned to the guys that you are the man who wrapped my Clio and you're doing some merchandise for me.
Yeah.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that like button and that bell icon as well so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want to support my channel, why not buy one of my hoodies?
Quick few words you want to mention about your company, what you guys do?
We're a stickers, signs and designs company based in Harlow in Essex. We've got years of industry experience. We've only been trading as ourselves for 2 years now. Things have just got bigger and bigger, better and better. We do car wraps, we do full signage, all your big external signage, all your interior signage, full branding, business cards, leaflets, whatever really. If you want branding for your business, we do it. It's kind of what we've been doing forever and it's what we do. And it's going pretty well. So
brilliant. Great stuff. I'll leave the links to your website if you don't mind in the description. Yeah. And the car, you've wrapped it yourself because that's an amazing color combo.
Yeah, the car's wrapped by us. It's only just changed colour. I mean, it's a shame I haven't cleaned it before we film this, but we'll get some shots of it out in the sun later on and you'll see how crazy the colour is. It was before this, it was 3M Pine Green, which was okay, but I didn't really like it from the second we'd done it, so we're changing it up because I've put the kit on it and now obviously the supercharger. Basically the money that buys an M6 is now going to go on it in little bits and bobs, so
sounds good. Sounds good. All right, let's talk about the supercharger kit.
Right,
show us what you've got.
So what we've got here is an ESS G1 supercharger kit from the States. It was imported for me by Crest Auto. Painless, got here on time, whatever really. It was a really helpful guy, all good. AJ at ESS has been super helpful and has replied really quickly and really helped me out. Hopefully it goes to plan and there's no big issues with it. He sent me the tune for it last night, so I suppose we'll find out in a minute.
What sort of boost are we expecting?
It should only make 7 psi boost.
That's alright, that's basically a low boost.
Yeah, we can change the pulley. I've got a water meth kit coming for it, an AEM. So once that's here, we can change the pulley, but we'll do it in stages. We'll get used to this power first, and then it'll be a nice little upgrade down the line, and it'll be something different, won't it? So we'll sort that out when we get to it. I am actually going to get another engine as well, just to gap the rings on it to be safe so we can run some higher boost if...
And then put dual supercharger on that.
Yeah, right.
So you have 14 in total.
This is big enough to sort of make whatever we want, I think, to be fair. I don't think we're going to run out of charger in this situation.
It is pretty hefty, isn't it?
We should be good, I think, in that front.
Wonderful. All right, let's get started.
Let's do it. All right, step one is remove the engine covers. I've already had these off because I've already installed a boost gauge in preparation for this. So there you go. If you can't figure that out, you shouldn't be putting the kit on. Step two, I suppose, is inlet. We're skipping to section 13 on the instructions because that's what you do. So
moments later.
So now it makes sense why they said 10 hours.
More moments later.
So here we are, not skipping to section 13 because I don't understand.
Standard. Thought it'd be a smarter. Skip to 13 straight away, but nah.
Here's the other steps that I saw as unnecessary. Good work, ESS.
Sound of success.
That was the sound of success.
We have a bracket on, hoses on. What would be the next step?
Injectors. Supercharger does not come pre-filled with oil.
Tired much? You want to tell us what has been what's been done so far and whether we are still within the 10-hour time
we're
frame?
easy within the 10-hour window, no problem at all.
Fucking, it's done. Just got to do the finishing touches. Just been messing around really. Nothing's been hard.
So what have you done? Show us.
Changed the injectors, which was the least fun we've had so far. Bracket was easy, pipes were easy, supercharger was easy. Literally just the injectors.
What about the weight saving?
We couldn't get a bolt in, so luckily BMW had this. There was a grommet over that, and we just took it out, and there was just a hole there already, so that was sweet.
Sounds perfect.
Yeah, so
Straight.
It's almost like they knew it was there or something. It's weird. Still a fairly fucking snug fit, isn't it? Here we go.
Start her up.
No, got to do the resistor first.